What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to take this X1 carbon here and I'm going to print a benchy in Ludacris mode. Ludacris. So Ludacris. So normal mode is 100%. Ludacris mode is 166%. I'm wanting to see what it would do in Ludacris. We've all printed benchies in normal mode. I've printed a benchy. Hold on just one second. So I printed a benchy in Bambu silk gold. This is in normal mode with the X1 carbon, and so looks pretty good. So I'm going to print one in rapid mode, but I'm going to use this new filament that I got. I really wanted to try this filament. It's Flash Forge Ruby Red high speed PLA. I'm going to print it in Ludacris mode, which Ludacris mode is 166%. Normal mode is 100%. And we're going to see how that thing turns out. So a normal print right here, which I'll probably bring up, and so a normal benchy is let's see here. A normal benchy total time is 39 minutes and 52 seconds at normal mode, normal speed. Now, Ludacris is going to cut that down to about 20 minutes. I'm sure that y'all don't want to watch a 20-minute video, so I'm going to throw one of my macro lens on, and I'm going to put this, I'm going to kind of do a time lapse. I'm not going to do a full time lapse where it takes it down. I want y'all to see the whole build. So I'm going to cut that down to probably like a 5-minute time lapse, and then we'll be right back. Well, I think it might have printed faster than 20 minutes. I think it might have printed it in about 14 minutes, to be honest with you. Now, there is some stringing, but it actually, come on, focus, camera. But it actually printed pretty decent to be going fast. It's stringy. Let's see if we can get and under the roof there to see if I don't think I'm gonna be able to get a good roof shot to see if there's any hanging. Which I don't see any hanging. Hold on a second and I'll tell you. No, there's no hanging. I wonder if I can get focus. I can't do nothing right. But it printed good. There we go. You can read the letters on the bottom. But shoot, yeah. It actually did pretty freaking good on a benchy in Ludacris mode. That is pretty good if you ask me. Well, I hope y'all liked the video showing y'all what Ludacris mode can do, and that'd be it for today. Peace.